is Juwelier, singer, songwriter, music producer, and this is Soothe2 by OIC Sound, one of my favorite mixing plugins. Let me show you how I use it in my latest song, To Be a Woman. Soothe2 also has an incredibly musical sidechain capabilities. In other words, it is an excellent tool for resolving frequency conflicts. Like here, I sidechained the synth group to the vocal bus.
A woman, only strong as meant to be a woman. When there isn't no woman like fire, isn't our hearts. This is what it means to be a woman. Woman, only strong as meant to be a woman. When there isn't no woman like fire, isn't our hearts. This is what it means to be a woman.
So every time vocals need to have a bit more space in the mix, Soothe2 will make sure the synth group won't get in the way. Thank you for watching, and listen to my song, To Be a Woman, out now.
Juwelier, Iris, juwelier, juwelier.